Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna do part 2 of my Blender course. And that Blender course was doing the Blender course I'm doing right now is doing the meat eating plant course. So first things first, if you be following it, if you be following my course, if you followed part 1, you must have made this. So we're gonna carry on. So just select everything, press G and then Z, and then go up. So it's moving along the Z axis. Then you go press this X here, and then add mesh, and then add we're gonna make the stem right now of the plant, the stem, if you know what that is. So add mesh with curve Bezier. Oh, and currently it's lying on the ground, so you need to flip it over by using the rotate tool. So press R and then press Control, and you can see up here. So up here, the numbers up here, yeah, in the corner here. So if you press Control, if you press R and Control, you can rotate it slower. So make it to 90 degrees. And then we're still in here. G, and just leave it here. Then we're gonna do the same thing as we did last time. Just change the depth. Oh. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. So press tab, and you'll see these things. If you can see them, these are the kind of the vertices to edit the curve. So what I'm gonna do is rotate it like this, and scale. You scale it, and here, this part, like a plant, like for more decoration, just for fun. Select this vertex here, right, and then press Alt S. Okay, so not S. S is for scaling it. Alt S. Then you can make this smaller. Wait, you know what? I might actually make this bigger. Yeah. And then you can go to this, add subdivision. And you might want to do that. Get object mode. Just slightly. Wait. Yeah, good. Okay. Now's a good time to name them. So double click on this, double click on the curve, and name it stem. Oops. That doesn't matter. Mouth. Face. My leg. And then select this, then select this, and then select this. Right click and then press move to collection. New collection. Name the collection plant. Okay. And then you can just hide all of this. And add mesh. And then add mesh and then circle. Okay, good. Okay, if you mistakenly press like off the circle and the add circle is not there, you can press F9, and that only happens in my 3.0 version of Blender. So if you're on a 2.8 version, bad luck. Just delete the circle and make it again. Oh, and one thing to note. Okay, good. I was like, just move it out of the collection and just put it there. Okay. Anyways, F9. Oh, F9. Yeah, I have to delete it. Delete. Yeah, we can deal with that later. Anyways, change the vertices down to 8. I know it seems a bit weird, but you'll see soon. And set them a subdivision and then turn it up. Then go to edit mode. And then go to side on. And this is my way of doing it. Just press extrude Z. Do that. Then you're still selecting this place and scale. Then press Alt and then press this. And then press extrude and then Z. And then put it there. And then you're selecting the top one and then scale. Oh, no, not scale. Extrude. Extrude. Press E and then S and then scale inside. There you go. And then do this. Go to face select and select like, oh, just press Alt and this. Alt. Good. And then Shift Alt. And then Shift. And then Shift. And make it a new selection. And then go back to object mode. And select this and then scale it in. And then go to edit mode. Go to side select and alt this and then shift. And then great. Except need to make this a bit higher. So just select all of this, press E to object mode. GZ, I know this is fiddly. And I'm gonna stop it here for this video. And next video, we're gonna finish the pot and go on. So I'll see you next time. And also do subscribe, like, and hit that bell.